Good morning, traders. So let's get cracking with the Dow this morning. So my fear that this green bar last week was just an exhaustion bar to a level is turning out to be correct. Okay, so we've hit this level here, and the bulls just don't have enough vuma to push this through. But the bears also don't have enough vuma to drive it very far down. So we're kind of just sitting in limbo. Okay, so I'm just putting these levels on. So there's our first level, top of that tail. Second level is a weekly Kijinsen, and our third level is this weekly Brooks gap here. Okay, let's just get to the daily, see what's going on, and pretty much nothing. Same story as yesterday, same story as the day before, and it's very difficult to trade these kind of days because you could stay short, but I'll show you on the lower time frames that you'd be panicking if you holding shorts. You're going to have to be mentally very tough. That's what I put this level in as well. So that's top level there. Okay, so the overall picture is bullish. So we've moved up, we've moved down, we've moved up, we're moving down, we should move up. Okay, so that's kind of the overall picture. We're looking for it to form a higher low, and it would be nice if it just accelerated and formed the low, and then we can get on with life. But we're pussyfooting around at the moment. Let's just get to the 4 hour, and we'll start to see. Okay, so this channel, you can draw this channel any which way you want. So that's pretty much how I see it. It doesn't matter what these lines are never exact, but that is a consolidation pattern. So we've moved up and we're now consolidating to the downside. Ichimoku at this stage has given us two bearish signals. We've got a crossover of price with the Chiku span. So Chiku span is broken below price here. So it's got quite a way to go to its next resistance, which will be down here. And we've also had a death cross here. So we've had Kijinsen and Tikinsen crossover to the downside. Okay, we've still got a very wide cloud here, so there's a lot of resistance here. That's basically what that cloud is telling you. There's nothing really I can read into this. Can't anticipate a long or a short at the moment here. So what I did anticipate last night is a break of this flag here. There was a smaller range on the smaller time frames which broke and looked like it was going to hold, but it failed. And then I did enter another long, pretty much at this bottom here. Okay, and I'm still holding that long, but I will see what happens on Europe Open. I may just get out of it. My stop is below this tail here. I may just get out of it and call it quits for the week. So let's just get down to the hour. Come on. Okay, so you see, so what I mean by trying to stay short in this, because the retracements to the upside are massive. You see, they run and you think, oh dear, I'm in the wrong side of this, get out, and then it falls off. So this is, very typical of a corrective sequence. They violent, up and down, and it's a bearish corrective sequence. So in other words, we've had a bull run, and now the bears are trying to take control of this move and push it to downside, but the bulls are making it a hard time of it for them. Okay, so the way to play this is pretty much sit on your hands as far as I'm concerned, because you want nice trending stuff like this, even if it is a short trend. It's short trend to a target, get in, down, take the short scalp, get back in. So this is the kind of stuff you want. But when you're doing this, it becomes very difficult to trade it properly and to actually make money out of it. So often you find that if you do analysis over the week of what money you made over the week, you'll find that your profitability is a lot lower when you're in chaos like this. Okay, so yeah. For me, today, what am I going to be doing? Now, I am anticipating somewhere along the line, and I suppose we just got to wait for that level to materialize. So it could be here. We've got a Brooks gap here on the hour, and we've tested this level 4 times now. So this is pretty much where am I in? I'm pretty much in down at this level, okay, with a stop below here. So what I'd like to see happen is I'd like to see us get something that's going to tell us that we're moving to the upside, but I don't see it at the moment, okay. We keep getting these inside bars. You can see there's an inside bar, and then there's no follow through. We get a bit of a tail and an inside bar here, no follow through. We get a nice green bar up here, and sellers step in straight away. So we had some bullish action at the close, so there were buyers stepping in at the close, but this could just be profit taking from the shorts. Okay, so this is kind of the scenario, and we've opened up another inside bar. And if we just come down to the 12 minutes here to see what's going on. Pretty much nothing. Okay, you can see we're still trending to the downside. Could be a flat bottom triangle forming here. So do that. Okay, just delete this line here. You can see here's the flat bottom, and here's the triangle. Okay, so a break below here will give us more downside, obviously, and we're going to start looking at the different levels that I've drawn in already. Okay, so those are the levels that we need to look for support. I'm still looking for longs, okay. Whether it's at this level or not is debatable. It doesn't look like it's going to be this level, probably the next level, but I'm definitely looking for longs, because when this thing does find its feet, then this retracement is going to play out. Okay, so it'll find its feet and then shoot to the upside. So these two levels here are probably higher probability because of the 4-hour cloud. So, that's the way Ichimoku works. These are our levels for support and resistance. So this is our next support level. And also you've got the oscillators moving far apart here, which is always an indication that a violent turn is about to happen. Okay, so the question in my mind is, when is it going to happen? We may still amble down, or we may actually find our feet somewhere along here. Okay, now Europe may provide a catalyst today. Not so sure what's happening with the FTSE, but definitely on the DAX side, I think we've got continuation on the DAX. So that may provide a bit of a catalyst for a move to the upside. But then we're going to have to see what these Dow bulls are going to do, whether they're going to step in on a Friday or they're going to wait until next week. Okay, so I'm not playing the Dow today, so I'll be calling it quits pretty early today. Taking some time off, but if you are going to play this, you are looking at these levels for long entry. This could be one. Okay, you need a tight stop, and alternatively this could be one. This level fails, then you've got that level there, then that level there. Whoops, there's another level, sorry. There. So pretty much on every single one of these inside tails is a level. Okay, so that's kind of what you're looking for. You're looking for price to start giving you some decent bullish action on one of these levels. Okay, inside bar, but obviously you need breaks above these fractional levels for that to form. Okay, so that's the Dow. Hope it helps, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Cheers, man.